In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for your auto repair shop. Navigating QuickBooks effectively can really enhance your business's financial management and streamline your operations. So, let's dive into the process to make sure you can leverage all of its benefits with ease. First things first, you'll want to open QuickBooks. Ensure you've got the right version installed for your auto repair shop needs and log in using your credentials. It's crucial to keep your login details secure and updated to protect your business's financial information. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find a variety of options and features, but today, let's focus on the Create button. This option is pivotal for documenting all the services you provide within your repair shop. By clicking on Create, you open up a gateway to several tools that will help you efficiently manage all your customer transactions. Click on Invoice to generate invoices for all the services you have provided to your customers. This not only keeps your billing well organized, but also ensures that your clients receive a clear and professional breakdown of charges. Be sure to input all pertinent details such as service types, labor costs, and any parts utilized. This transparency helps build trust and improves customer satisfaction, as clients appreciate knowing exactly what they're paying for. Moreover, if a customer makes a payment, head over to Receive Payment. Recording payments as soon as they hit your account is crucial for maintaining an accurate view of your cash flow. You can easily access this by navigating to the same Create section, making it seamless to update your records in real time. It's a practical solution to avoid discrepancies and allows you to spot trends or issues early on. Now let's shift focus slightly to another important feature for your shop: estimates. Click on Estimate if a customer requests an estimate for vehicle repair. Estimates are an invaluable feature for both parties involved. They provide your customers with a realistic insight into potential costs before they commit and allow you the opportunity to outline and discuss service options. To prepare an accurate estimate, make sure you include detailed information on parts, labor, and any additional fees. Providing comprehensive and honest estimates not only builds trust, but also encourages customers to return for your reliable services. Remember, the accuracy and detail you provide through QuickBooks don't just aid in transparent customer interactions, but also improve the internal efficiencies of your repair shop. Knowing how to effectively create invoices, receive and track payments, and prepare estimates will empower you to manage finances with confidence and clarity. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide to using QuickBooks in your auto repair shop. Practice these steps regularly to navigate QuickBooks like a pro, ensuring your financials are up to date and your customer relationships are strengthened. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.